Yeah, you ready to go fishing? Yeah. We'll just go fishing for a little bit, okay? Hey, what's up guys? Back out here on the bay. Just doing a quick trip today. It was just super nice out. And it seems like winter's coming back, so gonna enjoy it out here. I got the wife and kid out here. Their first time ever out on the boat this year, so we'll see what happens. Just staying close to home, trying out the bay. I know the river, the fish in the river are definitely spawning right now or already spawned out, so gonna give it a try outside the bay here, see what happens. So
say hi.
Oh, you don't like this life jacket?
Yeah, I don't like this life jacket.
Daddy, can we go fast? You like going fast, don't you? Fix your hand a little bit. Hi.
Whoa.
We made it.
We made it. What are we doing, huh, little lady? We're fishing. Yeah, we're fishing.
Well, hi, Daddy. Are we fishing? Hmm? We fish, Taylor.
Where?
The bottom board. Yep, we got fish. Here. I think there's a fish on there. Back up.
Oh, it's a sheephead, I think.
Oh, man.
Right, that's a sheephead?
Yep.
Look at Mommy Dickie's head.
Taylor's first fish of the year is a sheephead.
Yeah.
There, oh, it's a nice fish, Taylor. Here. Switch, trade me. Taylor's the fish on, yeah. So how did we catch that one? What technique did you use?
I was sitting and feeding the baby for snacks.
Well, I want my yogurt snacks. The arms tight.
Yeah. This pole is jabbing into my leg.
Still on there. Is it another sheephead? Reel. Still on there? Another sheephead.
Yeah.
Jeez. You should be good. You happy now? You got your yogurt? You happy now? Crazy little girl. You got your yogurt now? Oh yeah, that looks so yummy. That looks so yummy. Okay, this board is good. Oh, is there a little fish on here? I think we got a little fish on here. Oh, it might be a white bass. Yeah. Could be a little sheephead. Oh, it's a white bass. Oh yeah! A white bass! Oh shoot. Nice little white bass. Yeah, there should be a fish on here. You want it? You sure? Might be another white bass. Baby sheephead.
A baby sheephead.
Yep. Oh, we got fish here now. We got fish right here. Take this one, Taylor. This one by my foot. Nope, no, the bottom one.
How do I open it?
Okay. What you be gnawing over here, huh? Real? Still on there?
No.
Oh man. Oh, there's like a piece of its mouth on there.
You really?
Yeah. Oh no, he snagged something. Damn, we snagged something big. Big old carp.
Ew, that's close to scale.
Pretty sure that was a fish.
Let's see if I can pull this out of here. Oh, there.
Sheephead again.
Why did only the sheep have a bite today?
Another sheep.
That's not a... That's an eewee. Eewee sheephead. What?
Fish.
Again?
No.
Well, which one?
Mama got a fish, Bobby. Mama got a fish. Look at this professional angler. What you gotta say? You're the sheephead slayer.
Yeah. It's always good to catch today. Oh my god.
Look at this girl.
My goodness, so tired.
This is gonna be a bigger fish.
It doesn't fall off before I get it.
Came off, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
Holy
The
jeez,
biggest fish of the day.
that was so much work.
Oh, we got a fish again, Taylor. I thought.
What?
We got another fish. Oh, it's another big fish.
I can't reel it. That's too tired.
Oh, look at that big old pull and drag.
Oh my god.
Good job.
Which one was that?
Oh no. Can you reel that?
They caught. See, that one must be going under. Or which?
Oh, the baby. Oh, we got fish over here too now.
No, it broke off.
Oh, did it break off?
Yeah, there's nothing on the end of
Oh,
it.
it's a sheephead.
Yeah, you just lost the board.
No, it should float, but it's gonna go inside.
Oh. Yeah.
Want to hear this one?
Yeah.
Don't slack it. It really, really fast. It's a big walleye, Taylor.
Really?
Yeah, it's a big. Yeah, it's a big walleye, Taylor. Oh my goodness, take it easy. If it's gonna run, let it run, okay? Keep going, keep going. Walk up, walk to the front of the boat. Oh, it's a big walleye.
Whoa! We know this got wet.
12!
Yay!
Teamwork. Hopefully the camera's still recording.
Dada, yeah. Look at Dada's fishy.
Oh man, that's pretty nice. That's probably like 27, 28. That's a pretty big one. Oh, there's my
Is
board.
that the board?
Yeah.
Oh, at least we got that.
Yeah, I know. It must have just been a bad spot in the line. It just broke.
Yeah.
Because it didn't even break by the board here. We caught it pretty big. That's pretty big. That's my biggest one this year.
Oh, really?
Teamwork. We both caught it. Is that your PB?
I don't know. The only other walleye I've ever caught was that other day we went trolling last summer.
Oh, there's a fish on this one. For sure.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Which
the
end
far
one?
Yeah. Oh my god, fish. Fuck that. Oh, it's another walleye. It's another nice walleye, Taylor. Get real.
Daddy gotta go get the net.
Yeah. Keep going. Nice.
Walleyes have teeth.
Look at that. T-boned it. Alright guys, great trip out here. Didn't want to go battle the river. I know there's going to be a ton of boats out there since it's so nice out. But we kind of wanted to get away from everybody, take the girl and mama out for their first trip of the season. And caught some pretty nice, we caught 2 nice walleyes. The rest were sheeps and a white bass and white perch. So we'll see what happens. Probably troll just a little bit more towards home. But anyways, we'll see what happens the rest of the season. Walleye season's coming closer to an end. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys can, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. It's so comfortable, Daddy. I'm gonna fall asleep.